Good morning, you guys. I haven't vlogged in a really long time. Thought I would just vlog today. It should be a really fun day. I'm going to Pretty Little Thing and it's gonna be a really good day, but I'm gonna just take you through like my quick skincare and getting ready portion of it, because I know like you guys are always interested. No, you're not. No, you're not. I don't know why I just said that. For today's skincare, I use the Wander Beauty Drift Away Cleanser. But here is an up close of what my skin looks like. I did a photo shoot yesterday and I think a few of the products that we used kind of irritated my skin. But for the most part, this cleanser hasn't irritated my skin at all. I wanted to go ahead and show you. Sorry, just turned the lights off. So, my room's a mess. What's new? I just like always get new stuff and I know I shouldn't be complaining because I'm not. But it's just this stuff. Just tap that into the skin. I honestly probably use way too much, but it's okay. Because, you know, why not? Okay, I'm honestly so tired and I really need coffee. So we're going to actually go downstairs to make some coffee. I'm going to throw my hair up too because this hair is just crazy. I recently got a haircut from this Korean lady, like, around my area, and to make my coffee, I'm gonna go ahead and put some eye masks on. These are the Baggage Claim Gold eye masks. I only have like one more left after I use this one, so I definitely want to go back and get some more because I like using eye masks, and because I'm gonna be filming with Pretty Little Thing, like I'm gonna be on camera a lot, I do want to make sure I look my best. I tanned last night too. Boop boop. I love these kinds of stuff. Like, who knows what the gold is actually doing, you know? It's just a vibe. I don't even know, like, there we go. I like having eye patches just for special occasions like this one where I do go in and I film and stuff like that. It's always nice to have on backup if you're going to a wedding or if you're going to do a shoot or something like that. It's always really, really nice to like do that. So now that that's done, let's go ahead and make some coffee downstairs. I just realized my mom had already made coffee para me this morning, so I can't show you how I make it with my espresso maker. Like, I have a stovetop espresso maker which is right here, which I need to wash, but my mom actually just made coffee. Honestly, I just followed like a YouTube video and it's amazing. I use the Illy brand. Yes, I need this coffee, and I'm also gonna make my celery juice, so let's go ahead and do that because so many of you guys are interested, like, how do you make your celery juice? Celery juice this, celery juice that. So my celery is right here. It should be enough. And if I need more, I can always just add more. And that yielded about 250 milliliters of celery juice, which is exactly how much I like to drink in the morning. It's about like a cup. Okay, and then let's go ahead, pour this in. And again, this is about 250 milliliters, which is perfect. Metal straws, saving the turtles. So before I eat or do anything, I do like to drink my celery juice. I'm gonna have my coffee with my eggs, and maybe I'll make a slice of toast. So we didn't have eggs in the fridge, so I'm actually gonna make toast instead. Okay, don't judge me, but I really like my toast like burnt. I know that's like so bad for you, but I don't know, I like the way like it tastes. Okay, and then I'm gonna just take this everything but the bagel sesame stuff seasoning, put that on top, and I'm gonna enjoy. And I'm now going in with just moisturizer, Wander Beauty Dive-In Moisturizer. It's really hydrating. It actually is super lightweight at the same time. I feel like I had a crumb of that sesame stuff and I'm just rubbing it into my skin. Yep, I'm right. I'm actually gonna mix in also my Coola. It's not shimmery, I wouldn't say. It just makes your skin look glowy. And you guys know I really like products that make your skin look really glowy from underneath your makeup. So I find that that one does a really good job. For sunscreen today, I'm going to use Glossier's Invisible Shield sunscreen because I just want to make sure you can't see it through, like on camera. You won't be able to see my, like a white cast or anything. Not that you will with any of my other sunscreen products. I'm actually going to do my hair now, and then I'm going to come back and finish up the rest of my makeup. Okay, we're on the floor now. I just finished up my hair. I like to clip them, like I like clipping my hair back like this because I have a lot of like little baby hairs and it's really annoying. I'm running a little bit late, so I'm just gonna quickly do like my fast makeup when I know I'm on camera. I'm gonna take this Nude Illusions foundation in golden medium, and I find that the color is just perfect for me because I tanned today or yesterday. So I just take it in for mascara. I'm not gonna curl my eyelashes because I'm wearing falsies, but this is the unlashed mascara. Okay, so my lashes are now on. Now I'm just gonna set my face with the Glow Getter Mist, and I am really running late. I love the way that sprays. It sprays so well. So I'm gonna get dressed now and I'm gonna head out. Alright guys, I am ready to go. I'm on my way right now to the Pretty Little Thing office. Y'all, I am CEO of Worst Angles Ever. Oh, by the way, I was on famousbirthdays.com and my birthday came out, like my name, if you type in my seams on famousbirthdays.com, it comes out, and it's just so funny because it's like, what the heck, like they know everything about you, which is like kind of the craziest part. Like it was pretty spot on about, like I'm sure like if you've been watching me then you know this kind of stuff, but a part of me is like, okay, this person is definitely not watching me on like whatever. So I'm just like, bro, it's the government, they're watching us through our webcams and our phones. I know I'm crazy like that, but anyways, I thought that was kind of funny. I'm bringing all my Wonder Beauty products with me because like I just want to make sure I'm looking as glowy and stuff, but that's the whole point of the collection. It's like glow on the go. It's supposed to be like quick and easy on the go products. The packaging even reflects that. It's not something where it's like La Mer or something crazy and hard to carry in your purse. It's not like that. It's easy to take with you anywhere you're going, so I really like that, and I feel like it really reflects my life. I'm always on the go. I'm always like going to another place or going somewhere else, and I want to remove my makeup, I want to redo my makeup, so I carry all of that with me literally in a suitcase. And yeah, I just wanted to like also put that out there because I really do appreciate that from the brand side, like that it does cater to people who are, you know, a little bit more like just mobile in the sense that like their life is in their car, which is like this girl over here. Okay, now at this point I feel like I'm just rambling, so I'm just gonna get off this so that it doesn't like, so that I'm like driving safely, and I'll see you guys when I get to the office. So we're at Pretty Little Thing. This is Chelsea, everybody.
Hey guys.
And we just filmed a few TikTok videos. We're like doing all the things here. I just want to show you guys around because it's such a gorgeous little office. Do you feel so inspired when you work?
Every day. Every
I would love
Even
to work here.
Just like driving into the city like in the morning, and then like on the street we work on, like I mean we're on Melrose, so
yeah.
It's like every day it's like
there's something new.
Yeah, something new. You meet new people, like you get
best
to do fun
coffee
things.
shops.
The best.
The best. What's your favorite? Oh, like me. What's your favorite coffee shop?
I go to Alfred all the time. Alfred, and then
close.
it's close.
Yeah.
And then Earth is like
right,
on
like
the
2
corner.
steps away.
And every time I drink their coffee, I literally feel like I'm about to have a heart attack. So
oh,
like,
it's so strong, isn't it?
It's so strong. Oh my god.
Strong.
So like on days where I'm like dying, I go there. But Alfred's my fave.
Yeah, me too. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys around. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys around, and then we'll do all the things together. I just finished filming the TikToks, So you guys will definitely see that on my channel. So make sure to go, or not my channel, my TikTok account. I literally brought my suitcase too. You guys saw that. This suitcase just came in so handy. Why am I so dark? Here we go. Okay, there we go. There's the good lighting. So I brought my suitcase with me and everything. Hashtag shout out Hayes Luggage out here. And then I brought like all the things to film my TikTok videos. But this is kind of the office. They have like a cute little like flower section here, couches all over the place so everyone can just hang and sit. And then they've got all the clothes all around. I love this telephone booth. We use that to film a few of our TikTok videos. My makeup is looking still really, really good from this morning. The skin is looking amazing. Shout out Wonder Beauty. Like seriously, so cute. Okay, so yeah, I will see you guys in a little bit, probably when I go eat food, like probably when I go eat my lunch. All right, you guys, so it's been kind of a crazy day. So I just finished up a Pretty Little Thing. Normally when I film TikTok videos, it takes me kind of a while. Like it takes me about like an hour to 2 hours just to get like I always think, okay, 1 hour for one video. I kind of just calculate it like that. But depending on the video style, it could be like 2 hours for 3 videos too. So yeah, I always calculate it kind of that way. But I just finished up, and towards the end of my time, towards the end while I was at Pretty Little Thing, I also saw Harush, the makeup artist, and I think she was like filming some sort of content for like a giveaway of something that she's doing. So I saw her, and then we finished filming our TikTok videos. It just kind of got crazy busy towards like 1, 2 o'clock kind of. So I left, and then I'm now headed to go eat right now because I'm so hungry. And then I think that'll just be like the end of my day now, just because I am going to church later tonight, and I have like practice. I have worship practice later tonight, and it's not that I don't want to take you guys along with me at all. It's just like I really want to edit this video and get it up for you guys. So I feel like, I don't know, would you guys even be interested in seeing that? Anyways, so after I go eat, I also have to go to the downtown Zara store and go pick up my Zara jeans. And then I also have to, what else do I have to do? I wanted to go, since I'm on the west side, I also wanted to go shopping. I've been eyeing a few different pieces, and I just want to go take a look and see them in real life, IRL.